Bullish Quantum, QTUM, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $13.68 and $25.85 by 2030. Market experts accept QTUM could reach $10.64 by 2025. Bearish Quantum market cost expectation for 2023 is $2.43. Quantum, QTUM, presentation Quantum, QTUM, is a cross-breed blockchain application stage. It overcomes any issues among Bitcoin and Ethereum by consolidating their best elements. Qtum utilizes the UXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run savvy contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dye, a previous Alibaba chief, and Bruce Fenton, board overseer of the Bitcoin establishment. They have gathered a noteworthy group of counselors, including Roger Ver, Anthony D'Iorio, Zhu Star, Misthos Ionu, Kevin Goffman, and Wei Benyuo. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In WAC 2017, they raised $1 million from Finbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from organizers Asset Angelist, Fangel. What's more, in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum extraordinary? The Qtum blockchain has two exceptional advances that expect to settle the four issues its organizers seen as most tricky in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: Record Deliberation Layer, UL, and Decentralized Administration Convention, DGP. The Record Reflection Layer, UL, takes into consideration more noteworthy interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains, and between savvy agreements and certifiable applications. This is on the grounds that it really makes a span between various blockchains, taking into consideration more straightforward cooperation. Moreover, UL makes it conceivable to interface brilliant agreements with true applications, which has been hard to do as of recently. The Decentralized Administration Convention, DGP, resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be adjusted by anybody who holds QTUM tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Significantly, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Furthermore, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. Together, these two innovations make Qtum a remarkable new choice for organizations and engineers searching for a hardy and savvy blockchain stage to construct their applications. In May 2017, QTUM was first recorded on trades and was esteemed at $4.65. Until November of that year, the resource exchanged the $10-13 territory. Qtum broke over the $13 obstruction level on December 13 and rose to $62.7 in January 2018. Qtum's ascent compared with the organization's participation at Block Show Asia in November. The QTUM coin was underestimated before this occurrence. Quantum is as of now worth $3.04 United States dollars. QTUM has moved 0.25% as of now with an exchanging volume of $37,787,596. Quantum is as of now positioned 123 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $318,233,510 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination difference, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Quantum, QTUM, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Quantum, QTUM, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Quantum, QTUM, Value Forecast 2023 Quantum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year, QTUM. The QTUM cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $4.56. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $4.26 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. QTUM is supposed to have a base worth of $3.65. Qtum, Qtum, value expectation 2024 of every 2024, Qtum Qtum cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Qtum will before long outperform $7.60. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Qtum's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Qtum will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $6.08 and a typical exchanging cost of $6.69. Qtum, Qtum, value expectation 2025 on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $10.64 and Qtum might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Qtum is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $9.73 and a low of $9.12 in 2025. Qtum, Qtum, value expectation 2026 assuming Qtum effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the Qtum coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Qtum will be green in 2026. The Qtum is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $13.68, with a base cost of $12.16 and a typical cost of $12.77. Qtum, Qtum, value expectation 2027 after some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Qtum cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $15.81 by 2027, with a base cost of $15.20 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Qtum has a most extreme value worth of $16.72. Qtum, Qtum, value forecast 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $18.85. On the off chance that Qtum figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $19.77, neglecting to accumulate the help Qtum needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $18.24. Qtum, Qtum, value expectation 2029, while Qtum is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $21.29 and a yearly cost close above $22.81 in 2029. Qtum, Qtum, value forecast 2030 by 2030, Qtum will at long last outperform its past values and record new cost levels. The base cost